Hey guys, just a quick update on this blizzard that we are having. Well, it's not really a blizzard anymore. Right now it's just freaking cold out. Currently I think it's negative 12 degrees, which really never happens in Ohio. It's very, very, very rare. They actually said that it's actually warmer in Alaska than it is here. And, oh god, so, yeah, this it's really cold out here. I'm not even joking. So it's crazy. So here is basically the aftermath. Let me get in focus here. Of um, of all the snow that we've had in these past couple days. Absolutely insane. Just look at all this snow. It's crazy. So yeah, that's basically it. I just want to kind of update you guys on the weather. I am freezing, so I am gonna go back inside, and I don't really want my T3 out here in the negative 12 degree weather. So I hope you all are staying safe and warm, and I will see you guys.